Tools needed: 10mm socket needle nose pliers, Phillips head screwdriver. Using the 10mm socket, remove both bolts, securing the fuel line in place on the carburetor. Remove side panel to have access from both sides of the generator. Take the needle nose pliers and screwdriver to unclasp the damaged fuel line like demonstrated. Remove the fuel injector. Take the screwdriver and remove the screws from the fuel injector, securing the fuel line in place. Place the new fuel line in place and secure tightly. Resecure clasp lines together. Align fuel injector back in place and secure. Secure fuel line back in place.